Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of the LABIGO brand, their cordless rechargeable electric spin scrubber with 4 replaceable brush heads and an adjustable extension handle. Save time and effort, and instead of being on your knees and scrubbing, you could be standing and saving your back and your feet and your kneecaps, because this will rotate and clean. It's got a heavily geared down drive motor on here. It gives a lot of torque. We're going to demonstrate this in my shower. It's very powerful and efficient, and the built-in battery system is chargeable. We're going to show you how to charge it, and it works really well. The internal motor drives the rotating brush head at about 300 RPM, and you just put a little cleaning agent on there and you could scrub anything. You could scrub your shower walls, your grout, your floor, your glass of your shower stall, your sinks, even your floor grout. Anywhere you want to clean something with less effort, this will work great. And this will fully charge about 3.5 hours, and you'll get about 90 minutes of run time. It has a really neat display we're going to show. It lets you see the status of it, and it's really quiet. It's less than 70 decibels of sound. And these all these heads right here that I'm showing are all replaceable. They'll have a very specific function. We're going to go over that. And the brush heads are made of thick PVC bristles. They're not easy to shed, and they work really well. So let's take a look at everything here. It comes with a quick start guide, which shows you how to set this up really easily, and a full instruction manual. They're both very nicely written, and a 120 volt to 9 volt adapter, and this plugs in. It's very specific to this unit. And here's the brush heads. This one is used typically for floors. This is used for corners. They all have the special mount on the bottom we're going to show. This could be used for your grout and also your tiles. And this is generally could be used anywhere you like, even on your wheel rims. Works great. So the basic operation of this is the front head. You see a little soap on it because I was testing it. And these attach on here, if you look, just by lining it up and pushing. Simple as that. And then on this unit, there is the contacts inside there and the special mount. So you could take this next piece right here, and you see it has a button on there that allows you to slide this right on, just like that. And then you could open and close this to expand the length of it for your own application. And then this piece right here, which is the base, has the charging port on there, and then this plugs into this piece right here and locks in place. So now you have the whole thing ready to use. Now, operation is very simple. There is a button right here. You just hit that button, and what happens is it comes on and it starts rotating. It's got a lot of torque on it, so you don't have to worry about it stalling. That's what's going to go with the soap, and it's going to do all the cleaning. Now, this is waterproof, but you don't want to soak it in water, but this whole area right here is waterproof. I'm going to show a slide about that. And again, you have this adjustment right here to even increase or decrease the length. Very nice. Now when you turn this on, I'm going to show you, I have it turned on. It has a nice status LED right there showing you that it's got power, and that'll stop blinking. It'll start blinking, it'll go to red, letting you know that you're out of power and it's time to charge. That is also the charging port we're going to show now. So here I have the studio lights off so you can see how to charge it. You plug in the adapter, which is included, and it plugs right into the base of the unit. This plug only goes in one way, and you get a nice bright red indicator that it is beginning the charging process. So here it is after it's charged. And it took about 45 minutes to charge it. And you can see it turns to a nice bright green to let you know that it's fully charged. So here's where I'm going to be trying the scrubber on those grout lines, on those corners, and the dreaded floor. Normally you're on your knees scraping this, so I'm looking forward to trying it. So the first thing I did is I use this cleanser, and any cleanser will work, and I kind of put it on the floor and the grout lines here, and I added some water. So I'm going to let that sit for 10-15 minutes. That's what the instructions said to do. So I have it fully extended to help save my back. Got a lot of power. You can see it working with the soap. All you gotta do is hold it steady. Very easy on your back. I'm doing the other side. See a lot of the dirt coming off. I'm going to do the glass. You can even do the shower rim right here using the same brush. Now we're going to use the corner brush to get some of these corners down. Fits right in the corner really nicely. Let's do the other side. Just go right off the grout. We can go right up the grout line with a nice corner brush. Now we're going to use the grout brush to work on the grout. And the tiles. tool is very balanced. I'm actually out of the shower stall and doing this cleaning. So here's the shower area, and the grout looks really good, and the floor is significantly better than it was. The grout line looks really good in the corners right there. So it did a really nice job on the grout and on the floor, and allowed me to not hurt my back, so that's great. And you can hang it anywhere, and here's an example right on the towel rack on the end, and then you could plug it in if you like, and you could leave it here in the bathroom so it's ready to be used. So what do I think after thoroughly testing this LABIGO brand, their cordless rechargeable electric spin scrubber? This is a great product. As I demonstrated, to clean my shower area. I just love this product. It's built really well, very solid construction. Everything about this shows quality, and it really will clean whatever you want to clean with it. Really an excellent product. I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so there's a new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information that I presented here helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.